OpsCore Amp Communication Headset provides 3D hear-through and advanced hearing protection in a mission-configurable design. 3D hear-through technology restores and enhances natural hearing of the outside environment for improved situational awareness, providing robust and scalable hearing protection. The addition of optional near-field magnetic induction, or NFMI, wireless earplugs provides double hearing protection while maintaining clear communications and hear-through audio. Optional rail arms can be mounted to the rear of the rail system, leaving the top portion of the rails free for other accessories while increasing helmet stabilization and counterbalancing NVGs. Rotate the ear cups to the side or rear of the helmet to create low-profile, streamlined stowage when not in use. The Amp's noise-canceling microphone mitigates background noise, enabling clear communication. The mic can be easily mounted to the left or right ear cup or removed without tools. Quick-release down-lead options are available to connect to various push-to-talk, intercoms, and radios. The headset can be configured for left, right, dual, or no down-lead connections, depending on user preference and radio configuration. Dual configuration capability adapts the headset to either headband or helmet-mounted preference based on operational requirements. Learn more at OpsCore.com.